Right, court change. Service goes to Ambazari. Score 4-7. Ambazari score 4. Kinchling 7. Game is running. What a match. Afternoon match. This is first match. Ambazari versus Kinchling. Home grounds from Ambazari. Ambazari captain Mohan. Kinchling captain Simhadri. Simhadri versus Mohan's match. Service goes to Kinchling. Score 7-4. Score 7-4. Kinchling score 7. Ambazari 4. What a playing players. Yes, big teams, big players. What a shot by Levy. Yes, good timings, good shots. Playing well. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari home grounds. This is afternoon match. Ambazari versus Kinchling. Outball. Service goes to Kinchling. Score 8-4. Score 8-4. Kinchling score 8. Ambazari 4. What a rising by Kinchling team players. Playing very well. Yes. What a shot. This is the game. Whoa. Service goes to Ambazari. Score 4-8. Ambazari score 4. Kinchling score 8. What a match. Ambazari versus Kinchling match. This is afternoon match, first match. Service goes to Kinchling. Sorry, Ambazari score 5-8. Yes, Ambazari score 5. Kinchling 8. Game is running. What a shot, what a playing players, two team players. Powerful shots. What a shot. Yes. This is good game. Ambazari versus Kinchling match. Score 5-8. What a playing players. Good timing, good techniques. Yes. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from home ground Ambazari. Good shot. The Kinchling player. Yes. Game is running. This is good game. What a shot by Manas. Service goes to King. Ambazari score 6-8. Score 6-8. Ambazari score 6. Kinchling score 8. Service goes to Kinchling score 8-6. Kinchling score 8. Ambazari 6. Game is running. What a playing players. Kinchling players. Service goes to Kinchling score 9-6. What a game. Yes. Kinchling versus Ambazari match. Kinchling score 9. Ambazari 6. This is afternoon match. First match. Ambazari captain Mohan. Kinchling captain Simhadri. Simhadri versus Mohan's match. Score 9-6. Who is win? Who is lost? Please watch this match. What are playing players? Kinchling players. Ambazari players. Playing is very cool. Yes, good taken by Nettar Simhadri. What a game. What a shot. Yes, weather is good. Game is tension. Score 9-6. Kinchling score 9. Ambazari 6. Oh. Service goes to Ambazari, score 6-9. Score 6-9. Service goes to Kinchling, score 9-6. Score 9-6. What a game. Ambazari versus Kinchling. What a shot. Service goes to Ambazari, score 6-9. Score 6-9. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. What a playing players. Whoa, what a shot. What a game. Yes. Service goes to Ambazari, score 7-9. Ambazari score 7. Oh. Service goes to Ambazari, score 8-9. Score 8-9. What a changing by Ambazari players. What a playing players. Captain Mohan. Yes, he's the attacking player. Ambazari captain. Mohan's score 8-9. Kinchling score 9. Ambazari 8. Yes. What a game. This is afternoon match. First match Ambazari versus Kinchling match. Mohan versus Simhadri. Mohan Ambazari captain. Simhadri Kinchling captain. Yes. What a game by players. Wow. What a dive. Excellent. Excellent taken by Kinchling players. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari home grounds. Kinchling versus Ambazari. Score 8-9. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. This is tension match, I think. Game is running. What a shot by player. Kinchling player. Yes, good taken. Good shots. Yes. Score 8-9. Score 8-9. Wow. Service goes to Ambazari, score 9 equal, 9 all, 50-50. Yes, 50-50. Who is won? Who is lost? 9-9, 9 equal, 9 saman. Kinchling score 9, Ambazari score 9. Mohan versus Simhadri. Kinchling versus Ambazari. Who is won? What a shot by Ashirvad. Game is running. This is good game. I think tension game because score is equal. Score saman 9-9. Players playing well. Yes, Ambazari captain Mohan playing well. He is playing technique game. Yes. Tension. What a game. This is home grounds from Ambazari. Yes. Good shots. Good takens. Good timing. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari home grounds. Score 9 equal. Wow, what a shots by Mohan. Powerful shots and takens. This is a good game. Oh, yes, what a time. Service goes to Kinchling, score 9 equal. 9 equal, 9-9. What a match. What a match. Tension, tension. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. What a shot. This is power pack shot by Ambazari captain Mohan. Score 9 equal. What a match here. Two team players playing as well. Yes, good shots, good takens. Big players, big teams, Kinchling team and Ambazari team. Ambazari big player, Ashirwad big hitter. Alright, service goes to Kinchling. This is final ball, last ball, game ball. Yes, Kinchling, chance, win by chance. Game is running. I think very tension match. Final ball, Kinchling. Ambazari 9 points. What a match. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari home grounds. Mohan versus Simhadri. Ambazari versus Kinchling. Kinchling game ball. Win by chance. What a shot by Mohan. Yes. Very tension match. What a shot. What a shot. What a shots. Good takens by Kinchling players. What a game. Score 9 and game. Kinchling win the chance. This is afternoon match. Kinchling versus Ambazari match. Mohan versus Simhadri. Final ball, last ball by Kinchling. Win the chance. Please watch this match. What a game. Two team players playing as well. But who is win, who is lost? Please watch this match. What a playing players. This is Daba volleyball. What a game here. Afternoon game. Good game. Yes, all players, two team players playing as well. But finally chance by Kinchling because game ball. Yes, game is running. Very tension match. Tension match. But who is win, who is lost? Please watch this match. What a timing, what a taken. Yes. Right, service goes to Ambazari, score 9 equal. Yes, what a game. This is good game. Ambazari versus Kinchling. Kinchling game ball and Ambazari score 9. What a taken by Kinchling player. This is Daba volleyball. Good game, good players. Playing is well. Two team players, attacking players. Very tension match, I think. Who is won? Who is lost? Chances by 50-50. Yes. This is afternoon match. What a game. What a playing players. Good shots. Good takens. What a shot. Right, game ball, last ball, service goes to Kinchling. Win the chance by Kinchling. Chance once again. Kinchling chance. Yes. What a game here. Kinchling versus Ambazari game. Yes. Mohan versus Simhadri match. Good shots. Yes, this is last ball, final ball. Game ball from Kinchling. Oh. Finally win by Kinchling team. Yes, finally win by Kinchling team.